Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the hatch struts, you'll need an assistant to help you hold the hatch. It's very, very heavy. As soon as you release one of these, the hatch is going to want to fall, or maybe they're not working great and it won't stay up on its own anyways. You can use a flat-bladed screwdriver to pull the lock out. Doesn't have to come all the way out, just enough, because you're going to pop it off the ball stud just like that. Somebody's holding it for me, and we're going to do the same thing for this one. Pry it up and out. Take it off the ball stud here. You can take your new one. These were working fine, so we're just going to reuse them. The lock will be in place like that. Just push it right over. Lock's in place. You got to readjust the lock clip on this one. Push it right back in. Push this up a little bit. Clip it in place. And this will be the same for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.